Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to manage contracts or seasonal agreements by utilizing the contract closure feature. It is important to know how to close a contract or seasonal agreement, as it will help ensure you are able to stay organized from season to season. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Sales and Estimates page via the main menu. Select to open the contract section. The default view for this page will be contract statuses of not expired, and you can filter by adding additional parameters including visit status. The statuses are as follows. No visits remaining. All contracted visits have been completed. Short scheduled visits. Not all contracted visits have been scheduled. All visits scheduled. All contracted visits have been scheduled but have not yet been completed. To close a contract, you will have the option to close en masse or one by one. To close en masse, click the mass action icon with the circle check mark. This will open a confirmation window where you will confirm that you wish to proceed given the information provided. In the event you decide to proceed, the filtered log of contracts will be closed. To close a single contract, click the View Contract icon from the Contracts log and then select Edit. You will then select Close Contract. A confirmation message will appear, and should you wish to proceed, click OK. Any contract which has been closed can always be located from the Contracts log by selecting the Contract Status dropdown and selecting Closed. From here, you will be able to review any previously closed contract and, if needed, reopen the contract by clicking into View Contract. Taking advantage of this feature will help ensure you have a clean log of contracts and stay organized from season to season.